Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal. Why would you want to know how to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal? Well, maybe it's your first time and you're getting some kind of issues to transfer your money, right? So today I will show you how to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So the very first thing we have to do, we have to just go to the google.com and here you have to type transfer pay. Okay, and after that you will see that this is the option and just click on the and make sure that there should be a no option. Okay, so just click on the transfer pay and here you will find it, so just click here and after that you will redirect it to this page. Just click on the accept and here it's very important, so you have to enter the card details here and after that you have to enter the email address and after that the amount which you want to send. For example, let's say if I just want to transfer $25, then here I can write $25 and then you have to click on the transfer. Okay, so there you go guys. If you want to know how to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.